Good afternoon, people. Hope your day is going great so far. You're there with Just Facts and we're there only for spit just the facts. You see me, people? So tonight on Entertainment Report, we have an artist that goes by the name of Hot Frass. Yeah, people, and a Hot Frass in a Hot Frass. Don't get it twisted. Yeah, so tonight he'll be on Entertainment Report. It will be his first appearance doing an interview with Anthony Milan ER. So unfortunately, people, we won't be able to show the official interview clippings due to copyright restricted reasons. We can't show that, people. So this is the unofficial video clippings of the interview tonight, people. But this is only about Hot Frass. We want the people them get a little more familiar with this Mobay artist. You know the artists them out of Mobay, them a come out well at them a come out with a new sound, a trap sound there, so to speak. Yeah, so Hot Frass is no different. Him a one of them hot artists there from Mobay on the rise. And if it's safe to say, he might be the next in line. Yes, I want to look out for that artist here, people.
Polo shirt and my damn shorts, tight jeans with the damn clocks. On the road we are rough. We no drink out a cup, that we pop cup. Polo shirt and my damn shorts.
Him already have a popular song in the streets. We are get rotation both on radio and you don't know in the dance them, in the party them. You might be familiar with it. Polo is the name of this one.
Polo, yeah. Polo, watch it. Polo, shirt. Polo. Polo shirt and my damn shorts, tight jeans with the damn clocks. On the road we are rough.
So who haven't heard this song before? You heard it here on JustFacts TV for the first, right? Yeah, so and just support the artist and head on over to him page, Hot Frass Music, and subscribe and give him a comment, give him a like. Yeah, you have to support the young artists them coming up. You know, comment on the thoughts, tell me what you think. If you like it, you give it a thumbs up, you say it down below this, you say yeah, Just Facts that one day hot. Yeah, if not, if it's a not, you say not. You see me? You just make me know what I want, people, because me love what I want for the artist. And one of the things that I love about the artist here is a very persistent artist. He know what he want, he might go a fight, and he might release songs right behind the other. Songs after songs. You see me? So some of the popular record label that he has been working with. You have Claims Records, you have Outdoor Music, and that's just for name a few, because you know a whole heap of name, we can't add all of them to the list right now, people. But yeah, Hot Frass is an artist to look out for. Him look promising, people. Him look like him a come do things. Him look like him a come take on the road, people. As I said before, we have to give the artists them support, because them can't do it without the people them. No matter how them talented, no matter how them persistent, people are gonna make them thing rise. Yeah. So I'm gonna play another preview of another song we have coming up with Outdoor Music. That one is called Mia.
90s, baby, man. 90s. You know my thing go down. Anyway, I see the white god. I be a bad charge, they a foot. Money they enough like crab in a bush. Me girl, but she fire shot dog, she no stoosh. Portmore, yeah. Girl see me and wet up. The thing get hot, so them yeah get fed up. Bad mind get fed up. Bank book tick like it feet, bump push up. I we run the place like pleasure.
Again, people, I want to tell me how that one they sound. If it sound good too, no, feel free to say it sound good and artists go and do your thing. And me I go share a little clipping with you people where him and Teejay up on stage. Teejay actually call him on and I introduce him to the people them. And I don't know, Hot Frass come on stage and do him part, him never disappoint.
Teejay Rygin, bro. Big up myself, DJ. stop it. Hunger. Look at myself. Hey, Portland. Polo shirt, I'm in the shots. Right into that. What do you want to have?
So viewers and subscribers, support with young artists. Yeah, JustFacts TV. I'm out.
We full of broom like Bubba. Ramp with the 90s, can you cause trouble? Style fresh, Wrigley's. Done $1 million and a business of some.